Okay, so hello guys, welcome to the 38 tutorial of Python programming. I think we saw global variables and local variables in the previous one. So now we're going to see something more about global variables and the global statement actually. So let's get going actually. So suppose I have a variable called var and say it is sus. And afterwards I just define a function and suppose I define a function crap. And inside this function I'll just write this variable as var equals to. Now I'll change it to emu. Suppose I change it to emu and I print it out now. I'll print out var. Now what will happen? You can think what will happen. I'll just print out crap so that we understand what is happening. Okay, see, when we printed out crap, or instead of printing, let us simply call it because I don't want none and all. So we'll just call it. So it will just print emu. Okay. So see, it just printed out emu. It didn't print out var equals to sus. It didn't print out sus. Now why? Because var is a local variable, and when I call this function, this will get a localized variable actually. But what if you might think that this was before the functional, but even if I write this variable not inside the function, if I write this variable, change this variable actually outside the function, still it will print out emu. Because though I change it outside, but it is still a global variable. This is the local variable and this is a global, and when I call out this function, it will execute the local variable and not the global thing. So what if I'll just hide this thing for once. I'll just comment it out and I run it, still it will be emu, I know that. But if you want to use this variable outside the function, because if you try to print out var now, then it will give me an error because obviously it is a local variable and it is not a global one, so that we're going to use it actually outside the function. So to use this variable outside the function, what you can do is you can just write global and var. This actually is a global statement. This just declares that var can be used outside the scope. Actually, it can be used outside this function actually. That's what it means. So just means it's become global now. So now let us change this value to var equals to such, and let us call crap. Hold on, I'll just not change it actually, I'll just call out the function. So now when I call this function and see, still it printed out emu because I just have called it and I didn't change it outside the function. But now this is a this one is to think, what if I change it now? So what if I write it as sus now and I run this code? So see, now it printed out sus afterwards, because when I ran this bit of code, it will print out var according to this thing emu. So it was not changed before, but after running this program, if I change the value of that variable, then it will print out the changed value, that is sus. That's what it does do actually. Now let us do one thing. Let us change the variable before and then run this code. Now what will happen? It will just print out emu, because first of all it will not go, the controller will not see this function. It will see yes, variable is sus. Okay, it is fine. Then afterwards it will go inside this function crap. Then it will go here. Then it will see yes, now variable var is a global variable now. So when we change this value inside the function, though we change it inside the function, it becomes actually changes in the whole code that we write. That is outside the function also it gets changed. So that's what it means actually. But because we declared it as a global one, so we are changing the global value. So it gets changed outside the function as well. So it is changed inside the function. So it printed out. Actually we'll just write actually. So we'll just write inside and var, and we'll just write outside now. Print outside and var. Now if we run it, see inside it was emu. I'll just give colons and also that it is easy to understand. Yeah, so it's inside the function it was emu, and outside the function as well it is emu, because we just change the global value. But if we don't make it a global variable, now what will happen? So inside it is emu, outside is sus. Now what is happening when we write this statement? It is a global variable now. So it is variable. This variable is global. That is global value is sus. So when you print out variable outside the function does not know, right, that var is actually it is a global variable. So it will just print out the global value. So outside it will print out sus. But we have called the function first. So when we call it, it will just see variable inside this whole block of code actually. Hold on, what did happen? Yeah, so it will just see this whole code out inside the function. So whatever changes we do to this variable inside the function, it will not get affected outside the function, because it is not a global variable anymore. It is just a local variable. So inside it is still a local variable. So when we change it inside, still it will be a local variable emu. So locally it printed out emu. But when we go outside this function, now var is a global variable, so it will print out the global value whatever it was. So it was sus, so it printed out sus. So that's the difference actually between, and that's the use of global statement. So that's all. Thank you.